Huawei and Leica ends relationship. In what has got to be the breakup of the year, Huawei and Leica are deciding to end their relationship and part ways. Now this relationship of theirs has been a great one. Huawei was a great phone manufacturer and Leica is a great camera brand, and when they combine their powers together, they have been creating great smartphones with awesome, and I mean awesome, camera capabilities. Their excellence has been confirmed by many world-renowned benchmarking sites. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe for more juicy tech and hobby news. Many people think the role of Leica when it comes to Huawei phone was mostly their software contributions, but no! In fact, Leica actually downright manufactured the camera's components. Not all of them, of course, but significant ones. Leica has had a hand in tweaking the software part of things as well. It takes both part of the equation to produce the results they've always had. And their partnership has been a fruitful one. It started back in 2016 with the launch of Huawei P9 to much fanfare, and for the next many years, the two of them has been launching successful after successful model of smartphones with awesome cameras, each time pushing the envelope a little more with better and better results. Sadly, now their time together has to come to an end. News of this breakup comes from Twitter via Rodent950, who is known for leaks about Chinese innovations. The tweet states that Huawei and Leica will no longer work together in terms of software and hardware, but will only remain through branding. So that would probably mean that the co-engineered with Leica badge may remain on future phones, but they won't actually be, actually co-engineered. Whatever that means, I am confused. Are you confused? If so, then you are not alone. If you're not, then please do help translate in the comment box below. As for the reason of this breakup, well, nobody with authority has actually come out to explain yet, so we can only speculate. But it probably has to do with the US sanction that resulted with Huawei losing Google services on their phone not too long ago. Perhaps Leica just feels that Huawei can no longer provide. Ha! Getting more soapy, aren't we? I've got to tell you, this news is sad for me personally. I've been a long time user of Huawei, and the reason I bought them was for their cameras. And their cameras are very good. Although the phone I use takes photos at 10 megapixel, well actually it can take 40 megapixel photos too, but then you can't zoom, and there are other reasons that I keep it at 10 megapixels. But that's another story for another video. So subscribe and comment if you want to hear about it. Anyway, the photo that my Huawei takes is just great. A close friend of mine uses the iPhone 12 Pro, and she even said she prefers photos taken by my phone. It's not just the technology, it's the artistry that goes into the camera, albeit a phone camera, that makes the pictures turn out so good. And Leica just does it so well. With the whole situation of Huawei first losing Google mobile services and hence no more Play Store and all the good stuff, the idea of me buying another Huawei phone is just not appealing. My phone is one of the last Huawei that still has the proper Google services that includes map and all those other things, so it's not so bad. But now I guess there's just no reason to buy Huawei phones anymore, at least for me. What about you? Would you still buy a Huawei phone now that it doesn't have Google services or Leica? Please comment below and let me know. Now, if you're a fan of Leica cameras, then the news is not all bad. Rumor has it that Leica now has new suitors when it comes to smartphone partnership, and this new suitor is none other than Xiaomi. If this was soap opera, then this is Huawei's arch nemesis 2 houses down the street. How's that for a juicy love story? And Xiaomi is not the only whispered name either. Sharp and Honor are also said to be sending flowers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this one. Thank you.